Good morning, hello, and hi. This is Staba waving, but Stabusia sends warm greetings. Stabus is on a 2-week vacation. Meanwhile, Chupalowi, write to us and keep making our day better until lunch and dinner. We can't take a break from recording, so we've decided to record the next Gadget episode together as the introduction. Shishu wasn't there, but the rest of the guys were at Biedronka, and that's where the gadgets are from. We have 10 gadgets from Biedronka. These gadgets are from the physical store. We also have an episode where we order from Biedronka Home, which has everything but is expensive. Yes, and if you like it, maybe we'll cover Lidl too. I think we're already familiar with the unidentified flying object lamp. Now, this is Biedronka, and we often get things like this from Action. What's the price at Action?
I would pay 39 for this, but unfortunately here it's going to be 69.
Yes, this is a speaker projector, which means it's a star projector with a built-in Bluetooth speaker for a device that will take your child into the magical world of space. How much description for a projector? The built-in Bluetooth speaker lets you play songs, fairy tales, or relaxing sounds from your phone or tablet.
You know what? These lights give me that astronaut vibe.
But the astronaut is cool, not super cool. We've never talked this much before taking something out.
Like the disco light bulb you screw in for your phone.
This is a disco bulb.
But it's like buttons, I think, those plastic ones, kind of Chinese, you know.
But it's Chinese stuff. It's a product with that kind of design exactly for those 25 zlotys.
Hey, but Marcin, you have to see this. Look, you can turn it on. Look, 3 buttons, 3 power. Come on.
3 powers, yeah. The kid can read if they want. Exactly, because up here it says LED, here it says laser, and here it says music. I won't hide the fact that we know these products the best. I'm curious about the microphone.
But no, it's just very light plastic.
What a disaster. Maybe at the end we'll check prices and see how off we were. Fine, once we know these devices.
But I think I cut the batteries in half. Damn, sorry. I crushed the batteries. Yeah.
These are the batteries. This is amazing. I showed them earlier. These are the batteries. Look at me. Look, you see, they're so thin. They're really overdoing it. These Chinese batteries, it's scary to even hold them. No, Kuba, you have to turn it off and I'll connect via Bluetooth. Hey, for now, it's not a disaster.
Hey, I like it. Seriously, seriously.
All right, wait, this laser is ruining my view. Seriously, you say very little. It's like a random Milky Way. You know what? Because my Timon and we also had those astronauts, right? And they have something like you can see the planet spinning. Aha, and this is like a kaleidoscope. I just click it. Pairing, very simple, very simple. That's a huge plus. 1 button pairing, no apps. We like that, right?
These speakers always disappoint, in my opinion. Is this the max?
Yes. Personally, if it's up to 30 zlotys, then okay, you can have it. 40 zlotys.
At Biedronka in Kazimi, it was 29, and they need to add another 10.
Yeah, that's the 29, including the extra 10 in the margin. It also has a mode to turn on, for example, so that after an hour the child starts, it will turn off by itself, so you can consider 40 bucks. The plastic is crappy, it looks mediocre.
But the effect is like, hello, hello.
Why did you spit so much on that remote?
Maybe I licked it?
Wow. Hey, well, that's crap because I felt it on my eye.
Laser?
Look, oh.
No.
There are a million of those laser lights from this. You saw it anyway. Just now I felt it turn green and flash across my eye. The device has a laser. Avoid looking directly at the beam to prevent eye damage. For me, it's a definite no because I remembered why I covered up that laser for the astronaut. Someone says it can harm your eyesight, then fills the room with lasers.
No, that's the only million in all this.
And the biggest one. Don't buy it.
But maybe put it on the top shelf where kids can't reach.
If you think it's necessary, buy it, but keep that in mind. Hey, I looked in the bag, cool, a watch.
Lego blocks, that's cool.
What a beautiful watch.
Hey, from the same company.
The material is mirrored acrylic, the case is ABS, the battery cover is stainless steel, and the strap is TPU. You can rearrange the strap elements and easily adjust its length. Made for kids, it's durable and splash resistant, but not waterproof.
Hey, cool, but that might cost, I'm telling you.
I'll be honest, there's a clasp here and the inside is stainless steel. Honestly, I'm clueless about these watches.
Since we haven't worn these in a while. Oh, mine's thinner.
Yours is thicker?
Yes.
You've got a hoof, man. Look, see?
Come on, push it. It's in.
Perfect. Illuminated. Okay, that's it.
And indicate if it's on. Nice.
Hey, it lights up well. Yeah, setting, reset stopwatches. I spit on the stopwatches. The climate clock displays the date and day in English. It's quite heavy and doesn't feel like cheap Chinese plastic.
A real king must wear a crown, not almost, as you claim in the role.
roll, roll, well, almost. And I'm sure that if Rolex took off his skates or something like that, you know.
Worked with Lego, Mobile World Congress, whatever.
That would be a hit, man. It would be gone in 6 minutes, right?
It could cost 20 or 100.
You're right. If it started at 30 bucks and had a cool hook and flow, wow.
Hey, yeah, wow.
For me, that's a kind of impulse buy.
For 20 bucks, that's great.
And it really looks like jewelry. Even if you just wanted to wear it to a party, it fits that party vibe. Can you attach a minifigure here? No, because it's rounded, but if you could, sticking one out here would be worth 20 bucks. Great purchase, definitely worth it. Let's move on. All right, Kazichu, that's the watch. We'll take this for the kids. We'll take something from you for the adults, but I'll tell you, kids can use this too. A whole series of this wild track showed up in Biedronka. Well, they made their own brand.
From this forest, they're imitating it, yes?
The one from Action, they made their own brand. And in the last episode, I think we were already hugging those things from Biedronka.
Yeah.
And here there's less satin and they have a lot of those gadgets, but it's cool.
It's different. I think it's psychological. Touching the box makes you feel something.
Maybe, but honestly, that's what I expected. I figured there'd be some junk for the strap inside.
Just the case itself, that's fine.
Actually cool. Here's why.
A compass, interesting. Do young people still know how to use one? I don't.
Like those Rambo knives from our days.
Here you go, a Rambo knife. You know how it used to be back then?
I got this Rambo knife at the Russian market. Chris, you can use it to open a beer. It's real and has a wood saw. A kid might be careful, but it's stiff enough, no way. Oh damn, a hole in the table, no way. It's stiff enough that if you want to help a kid hold it.
I always help.
Me too. Now I understand it works like this. You unscrew it here.
No.
Beautiful thing. Just a moment.
Hey, it's cool, but you know what? I have a feeling the paint will come off quickly. Otherwise, if it doesn't cost too much, I'd want one myself.
But you know what I think? It would actually be useful in the garden, just in a home garden. Exactly. Something here, something there, plus a row of bottle openers. That resonates with us.
49 zlotys.
Jesus, it's going to be more expensive, isn't it?
Well, 49.
Well, you could give 49.
Well, I wouldn't give any more.
No, I wouldn't give any more.
I mean, not for me, it's different.
Oh my gosh, Biedronka, either someone messed up the prices, run to Biedronka.
Hey, 20 bucks?
Seriously, 19 zlotys. Sometimes it's worth flying it by plane.
Of course, that's right.
To steal something.
To dig out a wheel if you get stuck.
Let's keep going. I'm doing well.
And will you let me pull one out, like a good blind date?
And what is this?
A bike box, the kind you put on the frame for gadgets. I have no idea what this is. I'm opening it.
If it's great, 1, 2, 3, I'm ordering it.
Binoculars, look at this.
Ping pong net.
Hey, all right.
That's awesome. But we've got 100 man.
Hey, nice.
Cool gadgets. Where do we install this? Come on, Krzysztof, on the table.
Wait.
Come on, this is well done. Since when I pull it out, there are rubberized parts here.
So you won't scratch the table?
We have an extra thick tabletop. If this fits, it'll fit most tabletops. The middle will be somewhere. Come on.
Come on, show it. Oh, and we've got it.
But without any screws.
Great hop. Bravo, Martian, you played well.
Because I was watching Paul McCartney.
Bravo.
Wait, did you see those wrists?
I've already seen them, hey.
Awesome fun.
Boom, bravo, really nice. If it's also cheap, I'm serious, I'll take it today because I really like ping pong, honestly. By the way, greetings to Jonkov because I happen to play there. No, it's great.
Great gadget, great gadget.
I haven't used this yet.
You could even say it's perfect for vacations because you can hide it in your bag. You'll go to a resort, there will be a bigger table.
Table for two. Not like that.
Then we can discuss the price. No, it must be 50.
Well, ideally I'd want 30. Fine, I'll give 70, 90.
I love your ambition. No, I thought you said 30 because that's what you'd like.
That's ideally, but how much are you actually saying?
What's the highest price you'd buy it for?
I would buy it without hesitation for $49.99 because of the stringing, since the rackets are what they are.
Yeah, I'd take it for 52. I think we're in a category where you can really buy this, okay? $49.99.
We got it, bravo.
2 rackets, 3 balls, a net, and a pack. I think it's a cool gadget. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, I'd buy 3.
Yeah, we knew that, so let's stop here. I saw a dog clearly and might even know what it is, or maybe not. And that's how it was, and I guess we won't go into detail because that's already been done. Artur Artsy.
For grill gadgets?
He cuts the sausage, not a hot dog, into small pieces. Now listen, it's dishwasher and microwave safe. Cut it and dip it in the dip, enjoy. Put the sausage in the holder, place the dog-shaped part on it and press down to cut the sausage. And now, what's really cool and what we like, the product doesn't contain any blades. Sorry, I'm going.
Well, I guess not otherwise. For me, that could be everything. If it was 5 zlotys in the store, I'd buy it. But if it's 30 zlotys, then no. I don't remember how much it was in Arxie's episode.
There are no sausages. Still, I heard what you said in the store for 5 zlotys. That's cool, but I still think it's something that a kid will get bored with after 2 times and you'll never use it.
Not me. Well, the price might save it.
Okay, the price didn't kill it.
No, it didn't kill it.
Just 13 zloty for now. I think Biedronka learned its lesson with pricing and isn't overcharging us. Right, we had an episode where we spent 3,000 on those gadgets, but nothing was wrong and nothing happened. That goes there. Now we're moving to this category.
Yes, sorry, next.
Very good. We're moving on from this category.
Wait, I'll take something smaller now.
All right, here you go.
What is a digital depth gauge?
A depth gauge?
It's the first time I've seen this on an 8.
I've got 10 jokes, but none of them can be told.
I can't tell any either. I wonder how many there would be. So what do we have here? Naval depth measures how deep drilling, cutting, milling, sawing, grooves, profiles, or tires go.
Hey, that's precise. So you know how much tread you've put on? Awesome.
At the beginning, we installed a battery.
Hey, and this Teo is from Biedronka.
It is.
That it's theirs.
Aha, okay, yes, it's theirs for now. That's how everything is, kind of on the word of honor. Now let's go down some hole.
Hi, sister.
Now, do you want to see how deep this hole is? No.
Whoa.
Do you understand?
Put 55 millimeters into the ground.
You can set the hole depth up to 5.5 centimeters.
It's just that the hole can't be any deeper here.
No, because then it's already a hole.
I know.
Listen, what can I tell you? It works. It's hard to talk about holes. Okay, wait, because we have a weak hole. Here, look, I have it set to 0 and I have an 11 millimeter hole.
I don't. Unfortunately,
This is a tool from our universe, not a gadget like those sausage slices.
I'm not very familiar with it.
Whoever needs it, right? And whoever doesn't need it, doesn't
Who doesn't know what it's for?
need it. The measuring range here is up to 80 millimeters, so you can do something with it. The measuring range, the measuring range from the drill up to 50 millimeters, plus or minus 0.004 inches.
So it's precise?
Yeah, precise.
Honestly, I wasn't very impressed, but I won't give up.
Me neither, because if you asked if I prefer a watch or something meaningful,
That will cost more than a watch.
we've always been curious. Lie down, you don't have that.
My range has run out. No.
You don't have a lighter? Come on, don't tell me you had a belly button piercing.
Mahash?
You had a belly button piercing.
I was a super saiyan and damn, that tail stayed.
You had a piercing.
I didn't have one in my belly button. Just not too deep, because you're hitting me. Good point.
Talk for a moment.
Like when you walked into the house. Ouch.
But the worst scene ever. For 15 episodes
Minus 30 millimeters?
almost you.
Not that deep. I thought it was about 5. Look.
That's how much I got into your belly button. A good price, I guess, after measuring the belly button. It's no longer important, 50 zlotys, but I think I would pay that much.
Because I think the tools cost about that much. No,
Not for the pleasure of measuring the belly button.
measuring the belly button. Next gadget. What we're demolishing. Bring the curtain.
Because I'm curious.
That's how it stayed, you know.
I think that's a kite. You pulled it out. Hey,
A pin in the goggles.
I see. In case you get lost at the concert,
Then you can,
you just put this on. Football goals Blanki Pitkarski.
and you just throw it in and it works like that. They're great.
They're great. I have them at home. Don't say there's just one.
Not 2. Hey, herring.
Yeah, basically to pickle them.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Hey,
I'm not impressed yet. Not sure what happened.
but the net is crooked.
And here there are these mini goals.
But what is this for? Tape for the ground?
Well, it just has to be that way.
I'm going to get the ball.
We're going outside.
Kuba. Ta-da, even matching the color.
But I defend like this. No.
No.
Like a goal without a goalkeeper. Wait, shoot.
I could have hit him like that, but that's just a training goal.
You say,
To sacrifice shots.
just to hit and look.
Bam. There's one,
Okay, whoever misses first, okay, good job, and keep going another meter.
but of course. And now we keep moving forward.
Yes, another meter forward.
Bam. at an angle, good execution.
Yeah, nice goal. The kid won't hurt herself, but you have to understand that she's just small. Quick little run. Fold it in half.
And in half,
And in half.
and you're a Google marker, that's it.
Good price goal.
Price. Honestly, I have no idea what range I can be in.
I've gotten fired up with these damn...
Goals.
No way.
Then I'll say 30.
39 unless that's not enough.
I'd like 80, but I have no idea 80.
60. Hey, between 30, between 40 and 80, that's 60. Yes, small, but they seem like that
For 2 frames, and that's all.
Chinese stuff, but it seems more like church stuff, like someone made a selection very hard.
Do you know what I mean?
Yes, you have to consider it because honestly, the gates are really for little kids. Probably a rocket, unless you haven't heard. Recently at Biedronka, there was a running set that was terrible, but this one's okay. Let's move on. Third, a liter of capacity. The sprayer uses a battery.
No, it really is like that.
No, I'm the one talking like an idiot. So there's a battery usage indicator, LED light, comfortable handle, spray nozzle, and USB-C charging. And this is a battery-powered sprayer. Hey, adults.
It looks nice.
It looks exclusive, super cool. It's really heavy. It looks awesome. I feel like it weighs 300 grams. It's really well made. The quality is great.
Man, it's different. I hope it works well.
Even this is metal.
It seems well finished.
Hey, yeah, damn.
Hold him.
Well, I wanted to tell you, why on camera?
Hey, but like that, right away. Not 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, no, come on, don't move.
You press it and we're already outside, which I think is better than all those guns.
This is the perfect water gun. Hey, Lucky Luke.
Hey,
But it's powerful, that's what I meant.
Igielka.
Hey, now I'm cooling off.
But seriously, for the heat by the sea,
Oh, me.
but it immediately feels cooler. Hey, that's cool, really cool. Great that it's on USB, not great.
Well, an electronic paint gun is something.
An awesome gadget.
Hey, but it really looks professional.
We're excited, yeah. Hey, it turned out that in the end, we really like it, really. We all still remember that April Fool's joke.
Hi. Surprises, you know.
Everything is wet. I'll tell you right away, 80 bucks.
It could even stand on the windowsill and be a nice decoration. You know, like, what do you have here? Oh, a cool sprayer. Look, you like this. Psh.
Probably as a windowsill decoration.
It doesn't make sense anymore. What I mean is, if it was standing there, it wouldn't make you think, oh, I have a mess. But rather, oh, that's a cool gadget.
You spray. I like the battery-powered plant sprayer if you know how to use it. And not just once for the flowers, because maybe it's for larger surfaces, a liter of something, or maybe even for rinsing the car, like somewhere on the rim. Listen, well, obviously you can click it a few times. I don't know if the filters will get clogged right away. I don't know that. There were many cheap things, including our book, 2,850 awesome book, which is also affordable. We're mentioning it because it's sort of a gadget. This is not an ordinary cookbook. This is the craziest cookbook on the Polish internet. Our insane recipes, each one tested, each one cooked by us, and each one recommended by us. But here's the link. The 5 ways to .pl store, but let's get back to the summary. 3 gadgets you'd like to have in your home.
It's simple, but I choose this one first.
Me too, very much.
Next is the entrenching tool. I'm undecided between the watch and the sprayer.
Exactly, give me 4.
Right, and for the price of a watch, and if I could, I would buy it.
I chose the same 4 gadgets. The Super Ping Pong is awesome, the entrenching tool is handy and compact, and the watch is stylish. Great episode, Krzychu. Thanks. Let's move on to the next ones. We'll definitely record another with this crew, even if Sebastian isn't here. Check if you're subscribed so we pop up for you because that helps us too.
Like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated.